Good deal.
What's up, guys? It is December 14th, which means it is the last day of PA rifle season. We're out here at our farm. We're gonna do a little drive. We got about 6 people walking. More people set up over there on the left side in the power line. We're pushing out this big bottom. I got the rifle with the GoPro. So we're gonna see how the footage is. Hopefully it gets pretty close so I can get a pretty good kill shot. But yeah, they're gonna start here in about 8 to 10 minutes, and hopefully I'm in a good spot and a deer come right up to me. I don't know if you guys could see it on the GoPro, but there was like 20 of them. Just came sprinting down this hill and I dropped one of them. It's laying down there. They were all doe though, so I just picked out what looked like a big one in the opening and I took a shot and I think I dropped it. Yeah, it's down right there. So I'm gonna sit this drive out, see if any more come through, and then we're gonna go check it out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and head down and make sure this thing's dead, and then just be ready for deer coming through. If a buck crosses through, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it. But yeah, I'm gonna hike down there and see if it's for sure dead. There it is. Look at that. It's a big doe. It's a really big doe. Well, I'm gonna get set back up here, and they're not done with the drive yet, so I'm gonna get set up and hopefully a buck comes through and I can shoot him too. That was the 4th shot. Someone just shot 4 times. Now they obviously don't have cameras or anything, but someone just shot 4 more times back to my left more. They were sitting out on the power line there. hoping they got some. I'm hoping they got one over on the power line there, but those two deer came right up to me. That was pretty cool. I haven't seen the pushers yet, so we're just gonna set it out here for a little bit and hopefully a buck. There goes those deer over there. But hopefully a nice buck comes through still. There's the drivers right there. Didn't hear any other shots either, so we're gonna go see what. There's another one up there. We're gonna go see if the other people that we're shooting got any, and if not, we're gonna go ahead and deal with mine here. So.
Good deal.
Well, that's going to be the end of this video. I know it's probably a short one. Got the deer loaded up back there with Calissa. Thanks to this guy.
Yeah.
Pushed it out to me. But no, that's going to be the end of this video. Catch you guys in the next one.